In this tutorial, you will learn to import, export, copy, delete, or rename steering profiles in the InCommand Go display. Understanding the details of a steering profile will aid in auto-steer operation and troubleshooting. Begin on the home screen of the InCommand Go display. Choose Setup. Tap GPS Guidance Setup. Verify the SteerCommand Z2/SteadySteer is selected from the drop-down menu. Then choose the wrench. Next, select your vehicle from the list, or you can select none. Tap the green check. Within the SteerCommand settings screen, tap Manage Profiles. Inside the steering profile screen, there are three main areas: Created Profiles, Profile Details, and a column of buttons to perform specific functions. With any given profile highlighted, we can view valuable details pertaining to that specific profile. Details like if the profile is calibrated, wheelbase, antenna offsets, controller offsets, and controller orientation can be found here. The profile that has the blue arrow next to it is the active steering profile for the steering control module. To make a new profile active, simply highlight a different profile, then tap Make Active. If you make a profile active that has different offsets than the vehicle it is tied to, you will receive a vehicle mismatch message. If you believe you selected the wrong profile, tap the red X. Otherwise, tap the green check, and you will be asked to confirm which set of offsets to use for both the display and steering controller. If a profile is no longer needed, you can highlight it, then tap Delete. Note, you cannot delete the active profile. You can also rename an existing profile and edit the controller offsets directly from this screen. To export a profile, insert a USB into the display, highlight a profile from the list, and then tap Export. This will create an Ag Steer file on your USB device. All offsets, tuning parameters, and the full calibration will be contained in the Ag Steer file. Tap the green check. To import a profile, tap Import. Select the appropriate Ag Steer file from your USB device, and then tap the green check. After importing, no further calibrations are required since the steering control module assumes it is mounted in the same location for that vehicle. If it has moved, an SCM orientation calibration will be required. Lastly, to copy a profile, highlight one from the list, then tap Copy. Give the copied profile a unique name, and then tap the green check. Copied profiles will be identical at first, but each will retain their own tuning parameters and kickout settings. Now, you will be able to confidently manage your steering controller profiles for SteerCommand Z2 and SteadySteer. For more information on setup and settings, please visit the Operator's Manual on the Ag Leader Knowledgebase. If you'd like to see more short tutorials from Ag Leader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.